Sea way, Colombian way.
A1 short story. Colors. Meet Lily, a cheerful girl in a colorful world. One day, she decides to explore her vibrant town. In the garden, she finds red roses and a bright green grass. As she skips to the pond, blue butterflies flutter around. Following a path, she discovers a yellow sunflower and a friendly orange cat. Lily loves the purple flowers near the bridge. In the market, she spots juicy red apples. At sunset, the sky turns pink and purple. Lily realizes that her world is a rainbow of colors. And she happily teaches her friends the name of each of them, turning every day into a colorful adventure.
Please, if you like this video, don't forget to click on the like button. And if you want to practice more, don't hesitate to subscribe. See you tomorrow.